Hello and welcome to TechTube. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can delete your Deepseek account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser on your PC and go to deepseek.com. Make sure that you do have your account logged in. After you do that, you can see this type of interface. Now, to delete your Deepseek account, just go ahead and click on the profile icon on the bottom left-hand corner and then find Settings. Go ahead and tap on Settings. So you can see General and Profile. Go ahead and tap on Profile, and at the very end is Delete Account. If you're sure you want to delete your account, just go ahead and tap on Delete. You can read this and you can see that you need to type in Delete My Account on the box below. You can just go ahead and copy it and paste it, or else you can write it yourself. Go ahead and tap on Confirm Delete My Account and your account deletion process will be ahead. So guys, this is how easy it is to delete your Deepseek account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.